Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the best fertilizer for tomatoes and how to plant them right now. Tomatoes are one of the most beloved vegetables in the world, and with good reason. They come in a wide variety of flavors and colors and are perfect for adding some juicy goodness to your meals. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's talk about the best fertilizer for tomatoes. When it comes to tomatoes, you want to use a fertilizer that contains a balance of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This will help your tomatoes grow strong and healthy and produce larger fruits with better flavor. There are several types of fertilizers available, but one of the most popular options is the 16-20-16 formula. This combination of nutrients is perfect for promoting healthy growth and strong fruiting. So, how do you plant tomatoes right now? It's a great time to start planting your garden if you haven't already. Look for a spot in your garden that gets plenty of sunlight and has well-drained soil. When it comes to planting your tomatoes, it's a good idea to go ahead and trim your tomato plants back to encourage new growth. Once you've prepared your garden and your tomatoes are planted, it's time to water them thoroughly. This will help the roots to establish themselves and ensure that your tomato plants have everything they need to thrive. As your tomatoes grow, it's important to monitor their growth and make sure they're getting the right amount of water and nutrients. This will help them produce larger, more flavorful fruits. And there you have it. With the right fertilizer and proper planting techniques, you can start enjoying delicious, juicy tomatoes from your own garden in no time. Happy gardening!